What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. Super excited to be sharing with you this amazing opportunity. I'm actually going to talk about what I'm going to be running with coming up the new year. And this year's almost over, right? So, super excited for what's to come. And I'm going to talk about the TRC 1K system. So, if you are currently in IPS, right? If you are part of the team with IPS, that's amazing. You're earning those $300 commissions. I see a lot of you guys crushing it, so that's phenomenal. Now, $300 commissions is amazing. I'm going to show you a way where you can bring in the team members that are coming in with IPS at the $300 level, right? There's a lot of people that would also love to have the ability to earn $1,000 per commission. So I'm going to share with you how these two programs can go hand in hand, where you're not just earning the $300 commissions and getting tons of value, right, inside of the training membership site, but how you can also leverage this automated system where you can be earning $1,000 per commission as well. So imagine having the ability with one single team member coming in, seeing the value with IPS at the $300 level, then coming in at the 1K system, right? The 1K automated system. That's a potential earning of $1,000, 300, right? $1,300. So I'm going to share with you just the main points of what the 1K system consists of and how powerful it can be. I'm going to show you also all the different things you're going to be getting inside of the 1K system. And I'm also going to be sharing with you the different bonuses that you will be receiving on my behalf, right? And also some bonuses that you will be also able to offer to your direct team once you join my team directly. If you hear, that's my puppy playing. He's been crazy this morning. So anyways, let's go ahead and get right into it. So you earn $1,000 per commission. The really awesome thing with this opportunity is that there are no monthly fees, right? Once you're in, you're in. You qualify, you are positioned, you have the reselling rights to earn those $1,000 commissions. Okay, so no monthly fees with this opportunity. You are able to earn the $1,000 per commission. And the really awesome thing, there's a lot of people that don't know how to close high ticket, and that is okay because the admin is going to be helping you close your 1K sales. So if your team member has different questions, right, you can either answer them for them, or you can direct them to give the company a call, and they're going to close your sales. You get to earn the $1,000 for that commission, okay? And the admin will be able to answer any questions that your team member has, your potential team member. Really cool thing, other than the entire system that you're gonna get 500, either 5x7 or 6x9 postcards. So if you want to do mailing marketing, you can absolutely do that. Okay, awesome. So other than the postcards, you're going to be able to get over 30 capture landing pages, right? To automate your 1K sales funnel. So really awesome thing from uh, all the different pages you're about to get. I'm going to actually show you right now, but these are all the different pages you're going to get. If you don't have, let's say, ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or any other platform where you can create landing pages, this opportunity is going to give you, right, the 1K system opportunity. Plus, you're going to be able to, if you click here on My Capture Pages, you're going to be able to use those to promote any other opportunity. So if you have a coaching program, any other business opportunity that you're promoting, you're going to be able to use My Capture Pages. As you can see, you have over 20 different pages that you can use. You can add your own videos, you can add your own redirect link. So this is, I think it's absolutely valuable what's going on here. And you already have a built-in autoresponder, right? If you don't want to pay monthly fees, you have a built-in autoresponder inside of the 1K system, and you're able to, there's already pre-written emails, right, that are actually going to be sent out automatically on behalf of you to help you close your sales. Plus, you also are allowed to add more. If you want to add your own email marketing, you can add them inside of the autoresponder that is already built in. So, really cool thing that I love is this website right here that the company gives you. If you are promoting through, let's say, Craigslist, right, you can see right here that this page is actually directed for work from home, specifically for work from home uh, opportunities. And so they click here and click to apply, and then it's going to redirect them to get started. Okay, they're going to enter their name, their email, and then the system is going to start doing all the following all the following up for you. Now, there's a lot of digital training inside of the system. I'm not going to go over it again. You're going to be able to see that once you are an active member. There's tons of training on how to build a successful affiliate marketing business. Okay, so now my bonus training, right? My bonus things that I'm offering is 3 VIP vacation travel vouchers, right? So it's going to be 3. You can order 3 different vacation vouchers throughout the year, coming up this new year. And you can also offer it to your direct team members coming in at the 1K level. Okay. Another awesome thing is that you're actually going to be getting my team sales funnel. So you can also use that so they can see the different bonuses that you're going to be offering. It just helps you with converting your sales, right? And for the first 10 people, right, I want to do something super special. For the first 10 people that come in, I want to send you your first 125 targeted people, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab your link and send it to 125 targeted people that are interested in a high ticket system, just to help you get going, right? Help you get up and running. And the last thing that I wanted to mention is how this system is set up so that you can use it as leverage. It has a reverse 2-up commission. So what that means, right? You coming in, this is you, okay? You are in, this is you, and you bring in your first person, right? That $1,000 commission goes directly to you, okay? Directly to you. And then you get your second person that sees the value, they join. That 1K commission, okay? This is the second one. So the second commission is going to go to your sponsor, okay? This is how powerful this opportunity is, right? Because once, and then of course, after you get the third commission, the third towards infinity, those are all your $1,000 commissions, okay? Now, I want to show you how powerful this is because a lot of people don't see it how I see it because I've done a lot of different systems that have this type of leverage. So let's say you bring in, right, this is you, and you have your first person, right? Your first person gets they earn the $1,000 commission. The second $1,000 commission is going to go directly to you. That's how it works, okay? Now let's talk about your third person that comes in. Again, they gave their first person, they earned the $1,000 commission. The second commission goes, that second $1,000 commission goes towards you. So if you're building a team of 10 people, okay, you're going to be leveraging those 10 people, okay, and have a potential of earning those $10,000 off of your team's efforts. Do you see how powerful this is? So I hope you see the value in that. But I'm super excited. Really cool thing about this system. So if somebody comes in, they see the 1K system and they say, hey, you know what? I don't have 1K. I don't think I can do the 1K. There's going to be another button that's going to pop up, and it's going to let them know, hey, if you can't come in at the $1,000 level, there's this opportunity you can look at, which is lower ticket. And this system is going to allow you to promote IPS if that is something that you want to offer. So if somebody watches the 1K system opportunity, they say, hey, I can't join at the 1K. Guess what? But I can join at, at the IPS at the $300 level. So this system is going to have the ability to do that. You can downsell, upsell with these two opportunities. That's what I'm doing with IPS. I think it's going to be an awesome way to combine these two different opportunities. And especially if you have a closer, that's going to help you close your $1,000 sales. So go ahead and take action today. Go ahead and click on the button. Get started with the team. If you have any questions, send me a message directly on Facebook to get you up and running. You're going to be added to our different support groups on Facebook. And then, of course, the creator is doing webinars, live trainings for the entire team. So super excited about that. Take action today. Again, I can only do 10 people to bring in 125 targeted people to their link to help you get up and running. Take action. Other than that, I will see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.